love this too if you guys don't like us. Anyways, I'm in the car right now. So yeah, you can see, you hear the music. Yeah. I'm going to my house with my grandma. In the car she drives because she's only 53. Anyways, yeah. So, yeah. It's nice outside. It's getting dark too. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to my house, so if you guys want to see my house, that would be a perfect idea. In the back. My aunt and Bob. Oh my god, mother. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah, so we just got out of my grandma's house and we're driving to my house real quick. Yeah. Yeah, Grandma. Yes, crazy. So much fun. I can't wait to get over my house. You guys are the best. Comment down below what you want me to do because we couldn't make the cake today, but I'm gonna go in my house and I'll show you my brother. My Minecrafters, comment down below what you want me to do. I want this video to go 100 and 24 likes. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye bye.